Make sure to stay till the end. We'll share 3 secrets how to fix Mustang engine that has noise, rattle or ticking sound. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having guys a Ford Mustang. It could be multiple generation Ford Mustang. If you have 4, 6 or 8 cylinder engine, you have engine noise, rattle, ticking engine. Stay with us, we'll explain how you can often fix that guys without taking the engine apart. We'll share 3 secrets here that we use in the garage that can guys often save you quite a bit of trouble. All that will be covered in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart guys. Anything from transmissions, engines, bodywork, interior, exterior. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return for providing these free videos, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos, that way we can keep making them. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from and you can save a ton of money. So let's start on it now. So we'll demonstrate guys on that 2019 Mustang, but many of you requested that information and we decided to share it with you. So we're going to go ahead, open the hood and show you how you can often fix engine noise, rattle and ticking sound. So what we have here specifically guys, this is a 5.0 Coyote engine, but even if you have a 4-cylinder, the 2.3 EcoBoost engine, 6-cylinder or older V8 engine, procedure will work very often as well. These new engines guys actually are quite complicated. They'll have variable timing guys, they'll have hydraulic valve lifters, they'll have multiple components that will be run by the oil pressure. And the older the engine gets, actually you can end up having oil deposit building up in the engine, carbon deposits, you can have plugged up oil passages, and as a result oil may not flow where it's supposed to or not come with the same amount of flow that it needs to, and that can cause noises, rattles, ticking from variable timing actuators, from variable timing gears, also hydraulic valve lifters and bearings, cylinder heads, multiple things guys. So what we will recommend, you will need to guys do on your Ford Mustang, the first thing will be to use engine flush. Now you guys, okay, I want to share that with you. I wasn't a believer until I used that stuff. This is simply amazing. It was so good that we even made a video after we used it and you can check it out. The video is called Does Liquid Moly Engine Flush Work? Demonstrated on old Porsche car guys. The Porsche Cayenne SUV had almost 200,000 miles. We opened the engine and it looked like new after we used the engine flush. That engine flush guys, if you have a bigger engine you may need 2 of those. What it does is going to remove all the deposits, clean oil passages, oil screen on the oil pump can be plugged up too. It can clean that, remove carbon buildup, and later guys, okay, you're going to do an oil change. Very important to use really good quality oil for your Ford Mustang. We're using the Liquid Moly here, the Special Tech. It's amazing oil. It works on, you can see that meets the Ford specifications here and other ones as well. But it's amazing oil and it shows you the graph right here about fuel economy, a reduction of friction and wear, speed of penetration, deposit prevention and all that stuff. So amazing oil. We'll put the link guys in the description of the video below where you can get each one of those. Next, change the oil filter. Really good quality oil filter or original Motorcraft filter will do the trick too. Don't put cheap oil filters. I've seen it where cheap, okay, oil filters practically destroyed engines. Number 3, you're going to do when you do an oil change, use the Ceratec guys, give it a try, okay. I'm telling you 8-9 out of 10 times that an engine has a tick, noise, rattle, often improves it by following these steps. The Ceratec is amazing. It's a high-tech ceramic where extends service life, it lasts up to 30,000 miles, less friction, reduced fuel economy, so practically it will pay for itself guys. And if you look right here, it says that it reduces wear by 34% and reduces friction by 75%. But it really, okay, makes your valve lifters, okay, moving parts, variable timing gears quiet again, guys. Do these steps, see if it helps. I hope it does. Once we're going to go ahead, add ours, and we're going to continue. So we're going to go ahead, guys, okay, add the Ceratec now. So what we're going to do, when you get it out of the box, make sure you give it a really energetic shake, guys. Shake it as much as you can, upside down, sideways, because some of that stuff could be on the bottom, guys. That magic stuff, okay, could be easily situated there. So we're going to go ahead, open the oil cap right here, okay. Perfect, just like that. We're going to go ahead, open it. If you have white sludge build up, guys, kind of like looks like pudding, yellow pudding on the oil cap, we have a special video that explains what can easily cause that. Check out the video, will be on our YouTube channel, Auto Repair, guys. So we're going to go ahead, open it. We need to remove the seal. Specifically that Mustang, as we talked, takes 2 of these bottles practically almost. We're going to add 2, it could be a little bit less than 2 to be more precise, and we're going to go ahead and start adding it now, okay. So let's do that. Perfect, we're going to empty, okay, the whole content, put it upside down so it can leak out. We'll get the second one and continue. So we added the first bottle of Ceratec, guys. We'll show you how we're going to add the second one. You're just going to get it out of the box. Make sure you give it a good energetic shake, guys. Really good shake, okay, because you have some of that stuff, magic stuff on the bottom. You're going to remove the oil cap now, okay. And if you guys have like a pudding white sludge build up on the oil cap, we have a special video that explains what can easily cause that. Video, guys, okay, will be on our main YouTube channel, Auto Repair, guys. So we're going to go ahead, add the second one. We will let it drain all the way and we'll continue. So we added 2 bottles. This is the second one. We're ready to pull it out, guys. Now all we need to do is start the car and get it out of the garage and let it idle for 5-10 minutes so it can mix things up a little bit. You may start noticing immediate, okay, improvement in the noise and the engine noise, rattle or ticking, but the more you drive the car, the quieter it should get, because that stuff will start working better. So after 1 or 2 fuel tanks burning through the engine, you may start feeling, okay, really good improvement, unless you have a mechanical problem, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing that. Thank you for watching. See you next time.